Enormous elliptical galaxy NGC 1316 is an example of violence on a cosmic scale. It lies about 75 million light-years away from Earth toward Fornax, the southern constellation known as the Furnace. Astronomers suspect the giant galaxy here of colliding with smaller neighboring galaxy NGC 1317, here neighboring it, causing far-flung loops and shells of stars. Light from their close encounter would have reached Earth some 100 million years ago. Complex dust lanes found within also indicate that NGC 1316 is itself the result of a merger of galaxies in the distant past. Found on the outskirts of the Fornax galaxy cluster, NGC 1316 is known as Fornax A. One of the visually brightest of the Fornax cluster galaxies, it is one of the strongest and largest radio sources, with radio emissions extending well beyond this telescopic field of view over several degrees on in the sky.